Hello guys, welcome to Say Shadow Lessons. Please, after watching this video, please don't forget to subscribe. If you like, comment and share these videos. So, we are still on calculus. We are still on calculus, dealing with the differentiation. Okay. So, on this lesson, we are given by using the first principle. We want to use the first principle. So, we want to see how best can we use a first principle, a method of first principle, in order to find the derivative of y is equals to x squared plus 5. Okay? Please, after watching this video, please don't forget to subscribe. If you like, comment, and share. Also, don't forget to turn on your notification button so that you enjoy more videos again and again. So let's see how best can you find dy dx, or the first derivative of this given function y is equals to x squared plus 5. Okay, using first principle. Okay, you can also find the derivative of y is equals to x squared plus 5 using the differentiation of polynomials. But as for now, we are going to deal with the application of first order principle. Okay, so whenever we are dealing with first order principle, okay, we are given this function. Let's consider the solution. Let's consider the solution. Okay, we're given the function y is equals to x squared plus 5. Okay, so for us to find dy dx, remember we want to find the dy dx. So meaning to say dy dx is equals to this function, dy dx is equals to you can just say f of x plus delta x. Dy dx is equals to f of x plus delta x, whereby with limit where x approaches 0, where delta x approaches 0. Okay, where delta x approaches 0. So whenever we are dealing with differentiation of first principle, we are saying dy dx is equals to f with the function of fx, f of x plus delta x. Okay, delta x all over delta x. Okay, all over delta x. So we are saying dy dx is equals to f of x plus delta x all over delta x whenever with limits whereby delta x approaches 0. Delta x approaches 0. Please guys, after watching this video, please don't forget to subscribe. So let's see how best way can you do this one. Okay, so meaning to say for this one, it becomes dy dx is equals to whereby limit delta x approaches 0. Then we have f of, since we have x plus delta x, but we have squared here, so it becomes x plus delta x squared. Then we have plus a5 minus fx here. Okay, minus fx here. This one plus 5 minus fx minus fx, the original function, which is x squared plus 5 all over delta x. Okay, this is equals to, so what you have to do now, we have to expand this one. Simply means you have expanding this one, it becomes x plus delta x multiplied by x plus delta x, okay, plus 5, subtracting the original function, which is x squared plus 5 all over delta x, all over delta x, okay? So this becomes, expanding this one, it becomes x squared plus x squared plus x squared plus x, delta x, okay? Then plus x delta x, then plus delta x squared plus 5 minus x squared plus 5 all over delta x. Remember, we have the limit first derivative of x whereby first delta x approaches 0, okay? So this becomes x squared, okay? Then this one becomes plus 2 the x delta x plus x delta x to give us 2 delta x, 2 delta x, okay? Plus delta x squared, okay? Plus 5 minus plus 5 minus a negative multiplied by this bracket, it becomes x squared minus 5 all over delta x, okay? Please, after watching, guys, please don't forget to subscribe, if you like, comment, and share these videos, okay? So this becomes x squared, okay? X squared, okay? In short, we are saying x squared here is subtracting x squared here. It becomes 0. Then 5, subtracting 5, it becomes 0. Then we only left with first derivative of x, whereby limit, whereby delta x approaches 0. This is equals to, only left with 2 delta x, 2 delta x plus delta x squared all over delta x, okay? So what we have to do now, we have to shade the denominator. Shading the denominator, it becomes the first derivative of x, whereby limit x approaches, delta x approaches 0. It becomes, this is equals to 2x, 2 delta x over delta x plus delta x squared divided by delta x. Remember, we are sharing the denominator, okay? This becomes, this delta x, we cancel this delta x, and left with this delta x, okay? Came to remember this one we have 2x delta x, because we have x plus x delta x plus x delta x, it becomes 2x delta x, okay? So this one becomes 2x delta x. So meaning to say this one becomes 2x delta x. So delta x and delta x cancel together. Then this delta x is cancel this power and only left with 2x plus delta x. But came to remember this first derivative of x, whereby delta x is approaching 0. So meaning to say this one is equals to 2x plus, came to remember, delta x is approaching 0. So we have to say substitute delta x by 0, because delta x is approaching 0. So it plus 0, it becomes 2x. So for us to, basically for us to apply the concept of first order principle, in order to find the derivative of y is equals x squared plus 5, First of all, we have to write this formula for the first principle. Dy dx is equals to f of x plus delta x subtracting f of x over delta x, whereby the limit x is approaching 0. Okay, so this becomes dy dx is equals to, remember we have this function, but we have, this is the function of x, so it becomes f of x plus delta x for this one plus f of x plus delta x all squared. Remember we have this power 2. If you have the power 3, I would say the power 3 here plus a 5 here, because 5 here is no a 5 is just a constant value, so you have to add 5 here, subtracting the original function, which is x squared plus 5, so it's negative, it's subtracting the whole function. Then expanding this to get this one, subtracting this function, then this one, grouping like terms, simplify like terms, it becomes 2x delta x plus delta x all squared over delta x. Sharing the denominator, delta x divided by delta x everything, it becomes 2x delta x over delta x plus delta x all squared over delta x, then divide by delta x, it becomes 2x plus delta x into delta x squared, it becomes delta x. Okay, so remember, limit x is approaching 0, so meaning to say we have to subtract the delta x by 0, it becomes 2x plus 2x plus, instead of writing delta x, we are writing 0 just because delta x is approaching 0. Please guys, after watching this video, please don't forget to subscribe, even like, comment and share, so that we enjoy more videos on this channel. So enjoy the video on how to find dy dx or the first derivative using the concept of first order principle. Enjoy the video. Thank you so much.